Welcome to my channel, Granny Koi Bundy. Well, here I am. So I'm doing a really simple makeup transition. So I just, I'm gonna go ahead and start. I'm not gonna do any talking. That's a lie. Anyways, the talking that I do is going to be, let me put this all the way down. I don't want it to get at all on my hair. All right, so I already put my primer on. So the talking that I do, it's going to be over what I'm doing because I'm going to speed through this. It's a simple transition. And my kids are making a lot of noise. So, as you know, I'm using the Dream Radiant Liquid by Maybelline, New York. All right, so first off, you know I'm going to blend this foundation all over my face. I'm a blend. Blending this foundation. Oh yeah, now I'm putting on highlighter. Yeah, it's extra light. I learned my lesson, but I'm doing Ice Queen, so hey. Okay, yeah, I went straight to powdering. I'm tripping. Yep. I want my eyebrows to be defined in this. I don't know why I used the sponge. Okay, now I'm taking the baking off because I baked it. So I decided to contour. Because when I don't contour, my nose is like huge. Like I love my nose. So the only reason why I contour is because, you know, I'll put the setting spray on. But anyways, the only reason why I use contour is because I like the highlights. Anyways, I'm shaping my eyebrows now. Yeah, I did top and bottom. Hush. I'm blending it out. Like I can actually blend that out. Yep, we're putting on some eyeshadow. That's my dog. I told my kids I was taping. I don't know what's wrong with them. Anyways, now I'm cutting the crease, if that's what you call it. I call it me messing up, but hey, most of the time when I'm doing makeup, I just do it like whatever. I used to work in a casino, so I do really bold makeup because I know I'm gonna be under lights when I'm on camera. Now, I can't tell you how to do makeup if I'm going to a bar or something or a nightclub. I mean, come on, would I look good doing it? No, my stuff would look so crazy. I don't know what I'd look like with regular makeup. Because I'm just so dramatic. So now I'm just brushing. I'm blending it out. And I don't know why I did that. But hey, what works for works. Well, whatever. You know what I mean. It works. So I got my glasses on. What am I doing? Oh, yeah. Oh, I see what I'm doing. I'm putting on this these magnetic eyelashes for the first time. So it's like you gotta put the liner on your eyes, you know, and you can see my sponge and everything down there. So you put it on there and you put the other one on. Look at that. And then here I am, all done. Isn't that amazing how fast that was? And me telling you, oh wait, I'm not done. All right, I have to put lipstick on. So this is like this vegan matte lipstick that I got from this person on Instagram, called like Lip Candy. And then I'm going to put on the Lip Candy lip gloss. Eventually. Put on the lip gloss. What are you doing? Are you waiting for it to dry? Like, oh my gosh. Come on now. I guess you should wait for it to dry. Either way it goes. Alright, so I actually decided that I wanted to put some glitter on. No. Oh, I see what I'm doing. Something about eyeliner. If you figure it out before me, let me know. Yeah, this is going great. The Ice Queen is on point though, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Alright, now I'm putting the glitter on. And stuff fell off. Yeah, because I don't know what I'm doing, but I kept going. I should have put the glitter on before I put the eyelashes on. But I got the eyelashes from Amazon, and I should put them on my storefront. But anyway, so now I'm patting the glitter on. I'm noticing the fallout it got on my hair. Taking it out. I'm looking disgusted at it, like, how dare you? How dare you fall into my hair? So here I am. Lesson learned. And now that it's dry, I'm putting on the lip gloss. Yep, that's about it. And after this, I think it's a wrap. Alright, well, this is the ending of the tutorial. It is crazy how I put my makeup on. It's just one of those things where I'm learning, I might forget something, and then I do it again. But this is my makeup for my transition. I hope you like the video that comes next.